Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be having a look at Polkadot and Uniswap. I rarely talk about these two coins, but these two coins are two coins with high potential and great value. Uniswap is a DEX, Polkadot a new ecosystem. It's going to be very interesting in the next few years what these projects can do, of course. V3 obviously came out a couple months ago. We got Polkadot traded at under $16 and Uniswap at $22.30. 13 billion market cap for Uniswap and 15 billion for Polkadot. We got Bitcoin right now trading at 34,708, of course. Let's dive into the Bitcoin and have a small technical analysis because Bitcoin is king, and whether Bitcoin goes up or down, that's what Uniswap or all the altcoins will do essentially. So as you guys can see right here on the right side of my screen, Bitcoin is currently up 3%, which the whole market is up. So what are we seeing here? Well, we are actually in an ascending triangle, guys. Ascending triangles are usually bullish. I would say about 80% are bullish. As you guys can see, we've been hitting this trend line a couple times. We got 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, and 4 hits right here. So we have fairly we actually have a few hits around that trend line, as well as the resistance, guys. The resistance is always a big area right here. This is, I would assume this is the point of control. If I you know, just by viewing it, let's have a look, the POC level. So we're right below the point of control, as you guys can see. So it's very interesting. Now what happens here if we break out of this triangle? Well, my target would essentially be 42,000. We do have resistance at 36,000, so this is going to be a very interesting key point if we manage to break that. Why 42,000? Well, look at that, guys. How do you take it? You take it from the start of the triangle and you put it at the breakout. Now let's assume this is the breakout right here at 36,000. Our target should be 42,000, which is very interesting because it would be actually above everything that we have going on right here. It would actually be an all-time high since May 19, which is a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago. For crypto, it's a long time ago because bull markets don't last like 3 years like a stock market. Anyways, that being said, guys, you know, if we do get a breakout, then we could see potentially a massive breakout in the altcoins. That being said, let's have a look at Uniswap. Starting off with Uniswap real quick, we got a nice little beautiful bounce right here. The trend is your friend. We are looking pretty bullish right now. We do have some minor resistance right here. Sorry guys, we do have some minor resistance right here, but nothing too crazy. Nothing, honestly, it's not strong resistance. I would say that the strong resistance would be essentially right here. We are also forming an Adams and Eve cup. We also have a double bottom, but let me get into the Adams and Eve hand. This is the V shape and then the U shape. Okay, so this is an Adams and Eve pattern essentially. It's sort of like a cup and handle, except it's not we don't have a big cup and then the handle. The cup and handle looks like this. This is not what we're having right now. It's like an inverted cup and handle, but this is called the Adam and Eve pattern. Anyways, if we manage to break that, which would also be the double bottom, we have one bottom here and two bottoms right here. Okay, so this is a double bottom on the daily time frame. If we manage to break 29.2, I wouldn't be surprised if we make all-time highs again and go to $44 to $48. So that's going to be very big, of course, for you know, for Uniswap. It's definitely going to be a coin I'm going to be having a look at right now. Currently up 10.5%, 11% even of the day, and the day just started. So of course, depending on what Bitcoin does throughout the day, it's going to be very interesting. I think Bitcoin breaks out, which will boom and explode all these altcoins to the moon. Having a look at DOT. DOT is very cheap right now, guys. Look at that. Compared to Uniswap, we've been trending around this area right now for quite some time. Nothing too crazy. Very bearish. We could also be in an Elliott wave pattern right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the resistance right here. This is of course a daily time frame. I put it a little bit too sorry, I put it a little bit too low, sorry. But DOT at $8 would essentially be a steal. Can we potentially go back to $8? Yes, we could go back to $8 if we manage to break this resistance right here at $13.70. If we manage to do that, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a massive short or you know, long squeeze, whatever you guys want to call it, to $8. It's gonna be very interesting to see. Having a look at the shorter time frames right now, we do have a nice support resistance right here that we're gonna have to break. But of course, we are still in a slight uptrend right now on DOT. We're making higher lows, which is good on the 4-hour time frame. Nothing too crazy. But the major resistance would essentially be at $19. Minor resistance right here would essentially be at 16.747, and I guess you can consider this an ascending triangle. If we manage to essentially extend this and we do something like that essentially, like this, and then we come back up. Let's say we come back up, next day or so, and then come back down. Yes, that is a confirm ascending triangle. You could put your stop loss below this this trend line, and then a nice little target would essentially be to $19. If you take this right here, boom, and you drop it down and you extend it, look at that, guys. Technical analysis does work. It lines up exactly with our previous resistance. So for those of you guys who say technical analysis doesn't work on crypto, it works perfectly and amazingly, in my opinion. So you guys just have to have a risk management, know how to put a stop loss. Don't over leverage your trade, of course. Don't go 80x 70x on a trade, because you will get liquidated, of course. So it's just funny that this target essentially meets up with our very strong resistance right here at $20. Anyways, guys, that's my very quick cryptocurrency video. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.